All right, so here's a look at this workbench that we got set up outside. Now, we're not necessarily using it for the traditional work type workbench. We're actually using this for our pizza oven out here outside. So you can see how long this is. I think this is 60 inches or so. And this is gonna be great for any time that you need a table that can kind of move around, and it's gonna be nice and sturdy. Plus, you could also adjust this as well. So you can see down here, there's all these notches, and we've got it at the highest height right now, just because this works best for utilizing our pizza oven. But you could also adjust this down to be lower as well. Now, it's also going to have these wheels down here in the bottom. We can also lock these in by just pushing it down, or unlocking it by pushing it up. And I like the wheels on here because they're kind of rubberized. They're almost like a rollerblade wheel, which makes it relatively easy to move this around. And you can see we definitely need it here in the backyard because we basically just have a bunch of pavers out here, so it's just bumpy everywhere. But it makes it nice and easy. We could slide this around. And we do this a lot because when we're making our pizzas out here, if it starts to get cold, we'll slide this over kind of to our patio door, making it nice and easy to grab the pizzas out. But I know a lot of people are going to be utilizing this for a workbench, and I think this is going to work great for pretty much anybody because of how large it is, and it's just going to allow you to have a bunch of workspace on here. Now, one of the pieces that it's also going to come with is this power outlet here. So you can see there's a strip of 4 different regular power outlets, which are also 3-prong. Then it's also going to have 2 USBs, and then you can install it over here on this side. And if you look, there's a placement right there. This will slide right in there, and then you can go ahead and install this, having power pretty much anywhere you go. Plus, you can add an extension cord to this. That way this is extremely mobile, and if you've got a larger garage, you can move it around pretty much everywhere in your garage. But you could see we're using this, which is going to be connected to propane, so we don't actually need any power outlets, so I never ended up installing this. Now, this is also going to come with a pegboard that you could put over here on the side. Again, we didn't necessarily need it for our setup, but it's nice that they include it in the box. Then another thing here is the height of this is going to go all the way up to 40 inches, which is the setting right now. So you can see this is the highest that it's going to be. This is perfect for doing any type of standing work, but if you need a bench that's more so going to be for sitting work, it'll also go down to the very bottom one, and that's going to be 25 inches off of the ground. So it kind of just depends on what you're going to be using it for and when you're going to be using it. Now, putting it together was relatively easy as well. It's going to come in a couple of pieces. You'll have these smaller leg pieces here that are going to connect to the wheels. Then you've got these base pieces over here on the side. You've got this panel that goes here, and then it's going to screw underneath this wooden block. Pretty easy to put together. Once you get everything out of the box, I would say it took like maybe, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so to set everything up. So no worries on that. They'll also provide you with the tools that you need, or you could use your own tools. It's basically just going to be a couple of Allen screws. I could also see this being used in other scenarios like warehouses. Again, we could use it in the garage, anywhere that you've got a workspace that you constantly are going to need to be moving around. Now, if you need something that's going to be more in place, they also have an option that doesn't have the wheels. So if you just want one that's going to be more stationary, they have that as well. But honestly, I love this one because you can always just make it stationary because of the fact that it has these wheel locks all the way around. Some of the other workbenches that I've seen on Amazon have only 2 locks on one side, and that's good, but I feel like it's just way better when you've got 4, especially if you're working with something like a heavy machinery like a saw. You want to make sure that this thing is staying still, so having those 4 locks on all wheels are definitely a must. And the last thing I wanted to say here is this is a very, very sturdy table. You can see how thick the wood actually is. Plus all the components like the metal legs and the metal bar here in the back is really going to help to support it and make sure that this thing is sturdy and going to stay in place for pretty much any type of work that you're doing on it. So if you're looking for a really good workbench, whether it be for inside the house, outside in the garage, or even in a warehouse, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.